Hi guys, it's D.I.C.E and welcome back. So today we're going to be solving the gear cube. For the basics of the gear cube, so basically it's the same as the 3x3. There's a centerpiece, the edge pieces, and the corner pieces. The notations are still also the same, but one turn would be 180 degrees. 90 degrees won't work. This is 90 degrees. As you can see, you can't turn the cube anymore. So basically, R would be 180 degree clock. No, actually, it doesn't matter. It's supposed to be 180 degree turn to the right face. And F would be 180 degrees for the front, and so on. So our outline for this is that we're gonna first position the edges here, and then position also the edges, and then orient them as well. So now that we got the basics done, let's go ahead and scramble our cube and let's start solving. So this will be our scrambled cube, and it's a very messy cube. So the first thing we have to do is, well, I like to start with the yellow side. Okay, so we're gonna look for the other two yellow corner pieces. These are the two, so the other ones would be here. So intuitively, we need to put them here. So how do we do that? We can just turn this here 180 degrees and put it down so that we have our yellow corners complete. So as you can see, the corners are correct for every side. Like there's an orange here, green, and so on. But some of the centers are incorrect. Like this white here, and the green, blue, and yellow. Basically all on the S layer, the standing layer. So how do we fix that? We just need to do an R2. So 1, 2, and we have fixed all the corners. Like this green, white, blue, and yellow are already fixed without touching the red and the orange faces. So after solving this, we will notice that there are several possibilities for the layers. For example, in the M layer, we can see that these two pieces are swapped, like white red needs to go here, and the same for white orange to go here. And that goes for the bottom layer of the M layer. So white red over here needs to swap with yellow orange over here. So this will be the M layer. For the E layer, the equatorial layer, this layer over here, well, we can see that green orange and green red needs to be swapped. The same case for this M layer, and for the S layer, the standing layer, this layer over here, well, it's not the same as the M and E layers. They need to be swapped in an X fashion. We'll get to that soon. So for the case of the M layer, we need to do this single algorithm to flip these edge pieces. So it's U, R2, and U, R2. So as you can see, we have solved this layer and have swapped these edges as well as these guys. So now that we're done for the M layer, let's go ahead and solve for the E layer. So we need to make sure that the pieces we need to swap are on the top and the bottom sides. Red green needs to swap with red blue, and vice versa. So since they are the same case as the M layer, we need to do the same algorithm. So that will be U, R2, U, and finally R2. So as you can see, we have swapped these layers, these edge pieces, Doing that algorithm, we have also solved for the S layer. So that negates one step for us. Pretty lucky. So now that we've done that, we're down to the easiest part, orienting the edges. So basically, to orient this M layer, we just need to do R4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So since it's still not oriented, we need to do it one more time. That will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, we have oriented the M layer. The same goes for this E layer. So we just turn this and do R4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We do it one last time. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we have solved our gear cube. So that will be all for solving the gear cube. You have any comments? You have anything to say? Just let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to know if I posted a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. D.I.C.E out!